Another one is pulse function, rectangular. Another function is rectangular pulse function. So this rectangular pulse function is represented by pi t upon tau. This is equal to 1 for mod of t. For mod of t less than equal to tau by 2, and it will be 0 otherwise. Mod of t means mod of t, if it is less than or equal to tau by 2, the value, the amplitude is 1, otherwise it will be 0. So this is an even function. This is an even function. So I can represent this rectangular pulse function graphically by this way. This is my t. This is pi t by tau, and here we have tau by 2, and here we have minus tau by 2. So you know that between this we have the value 1, and otherwise if you look at this side or if you look at this side, the value is 0. But within this region you can see that the value is 1. You can see the value amplitude is 1 within this minus tau by 2 to t by tau by 2.